Huh?
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, he's not here?
Yes.
Yes, okay, in another device? Okay,
Yeah.
I will find out. Okay, so let me,
Good morning, ma'am.
okay, I can't see here. Okay, anyhow, we can start today's session. In the last class, we had discussed about different methods of water purification. In the for purifying large quantity of water, we can use some chemicals. Okay, if we want to purify water in large quantity, we can use some chemicals. Okay, or just, can you please tell me, or just, can you please tell me the name of one chemical which we can use for purifying water? Yes, or just?
Good morning, ma'am.
Alam. Okay, alam. Can you tell me the spelling of alam? Yes, everybody, all others, please mute. Or just alam, spelling of alam. Yes, correct.
L.
Yes.
U.
U.
M.
M-A-L-U-M. Okay. Or just congratulations for the chess tournament also. Okay. So here we can start today's session. And another chemical is also there. Let me ask to Rudra Robin. Please tell me the name of another chemical which we can use it for purifying water.
Chlorine.
Okay. Can you tell me the spelling of chlorine?
CN.
C. Chlorine. C. 1 minute. All others mute your audio. Arpita, everybody mute your audio. Otherwise, I will cut your point. Rudra? Yes, Rudra. Yes. Tell me the spelling of chlorine.
C.
Clo. C.
CH.
Very good. CH. Clo.
O.
Clo. CHLO.
CHLO. RINE.
Okay, write and study 5 times. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here we learned, and if the water quantity is less at our home, we can purify water by simply boiling it, or otherwise we can use different types of purifiers that are available in our markets. I hope, I think at your home you can see anyone a purifier, right? Are you using any purifiers?
Ma'am, I made a water filter.
Yes, Navneet. Yes, do you have that one, Navneet? I will show it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please take it? Can you please take it? Okay. So let Navneet to take the filter. He made a filter, as Aditi also made one. And in the last class, I showed it, right? But when you are doing these old things, I am very satisfied. Okay, so everybody, you have now enough time. So please try to do it. Okay?
Ma'am, I have made.
Okay. So here, Navneet. Navneet, use some dirty water. Dirty water means the water which is brown in color or something. So when you keep it to that, you can see the clear water comes out of it. When you use clear water,
then it became like this.
Okay. So here, everybody had watched it, right? So you also will get some motivation for doing it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have doubt.
Yes. Who is having the doubt?
Ma'am, I had also
Felix. Okay. All others, mute your audio. First, Felix, tell me, what is the doubt?
That now need to us one filter now.
Yeah. Yes.
So in that filter we will get clean water. Now need such clean water.
Yeah, we will get out the clean water, clear water, not clean, clear water, mud-free water, mud-free water. Okay.
So that water it is safe for drinking.
Is it safe for drinking? That is what I taught in the last class. Is it safe for drinking?
No.
Filtered water. That is why I told we got clear water. We got clear water not the clean water. Clean water, in the clear water also, we can
If you want
expect.
clean water, we should boil it for 10 minutes.
Yeah, very good, very good. So, from Navneet's filter or Aditi's filter, we will get clear water, mud-free water. But then also, it is not fit for drinking. For making it to fit for drinking, either we have to use some chlorine or alum for killing the germs which are invisible, or sometimes we can boil water for 10 to 15 minutes. That all things we checked it in the last class. We learned it, right? Now, today we can learn some more how this water get mixes with the, what all things makes the water unfit for drinking. That is what we want to learn today. Okay, what all things make the water unfit for drinking? Who can say it? Raise your hand. Then only I will unmute you. Will help you to unmute. What all things makes the water unfit for using? Who can say it? Raise your hand. Yes, Aditi, I can see Aditi, Hrudvi, Kirtana, Zera. Ah, yeah, okay. Madhu Nair means that is Manav, right? Okay, Manav, unmute your audio. Unmute it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
There are bacteria, germs.
Okay.
There are
How
different.
these bacteria and germs are mixes with water. Because of the presence of bacteria and germs, that it makes unfit for using. My question is, how these germs or invisible substances are getting mixed with water? Who can say it? Manav, mute your audio. Okay, I can see some more hands. Only very few, right? Okay. Hrudvi, unmuted. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we people will bath on it.
Yeah, very good, very good. When?
Then the animals will bath on it.
Oh, okay, very
There
good,
will
very
be
good.
full of plants.
Ah.
Then dirty water and then waste and all we will put on it.
Okay, okay, good. Mute your audio. Okay. So from Hrudvi, I got a point. If we take bath in water sources like river, lake, that also can cause the water unfit for drinking. You might have seen some river sides, people are taking bath. Please keep your hands down. I will ask after some. Okay, so I want to explain Hrudvi's point. After that, one more point I want to get. At that time, I will ask. So here, during near to the river side, you can see people are taking bath, bathing the animals, right? And not only that, if some places, if the water is very less, they will take the washing clothes, they will wash their utensils, that all on that water body or near to that water source. So these all processes are called domestic practices. Washing clothes, washing utensils, bathing animals, bathing themselves, these all. And not only that, some waste, plastic waste also are throwing into the water sources. You can see it, right? In the river side or in the lakes or near to the pond, you can see lot of people are throwing so many plastic waste because plastic won't decay. It will not decay. That is why we should not we should not use plastic. If we put the plastic substances in the water sources, that will float there itself. So these all waste from the household, domestic practices. What do you mean by domestic practices? Bathing animals, bathing people, then cleaning vessels, washing clothes. These all works are called domestic practices. These all can, if the people doing near to the water source, that can make the water unfit for use. And this waste. Okay, like a plastic. Is there any other idea? Do you have any other? Okay, Kirtana, Kirtana, unmute your audio. Yes, Kirtana. Okay, what is?
And people will split on the one.
Yeah, that is also included when they spit. Otherwise, when they take bath in water, there are also chances of getting unwanted things in mixed with water, right? Okay. Is there any other idea? Sarah? Sarah? Yes. Sarah, tell me. Unmute it. Okay, okay, okay. Unmute it. Okay.
Ma'am, people will vomit in the sea.
Okay, okay. That's all. Okay, no problem. Any other ideas? Sarah, mute your audio. Yes, Aditi. Yes, Aditi, unmute it. Yes, unmute. Again, unmute, please. Okay.
Ma'am, waste from factories and all.
Yeah, that is the most worst thing. Factories let their waste from the factories, let it into the river or in the water sources. So that chemical factory waste means that includes the waste, chemical waste, right? So that chemicals will mix with the water source, mix with the water in the water source. So that is also a problem. And another, Mayuk, okay. Unmute your audio. Yes, yes.
Cleaning clothes.
Okay, cleaning clothes, that also we told. Let me give one more chance to Manav. Okay, Manav. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, dirt. There
Okay.
some.
Okay,
There
okay.
will be.
So these all things, okay, mute your audio. So here we saw different situation, how the water from in the water source get polluted. Water in the water source get harmful, right? Becoming harmful. Here I want to share a screen. Okay, can you see this? Let me show some pictures how the water get. Okay. Everybody mute your audio. Yes. Can you see some picture here? I hope everybody can see it. If you can see, please show a thumbs up. Okay. So here you can see the water from the waste from the factories are let out into the rivers. So near to the rivers or lakes. 1 minute. So here you can see the black water, right? Black colored liquid mixes with the water from the water source. And next one, here you can see a person. A person is spraying something on the ground, right? So he is a farmer. He is spraying some chemicals in his farm. These chemicals are used to increase the plant growth and also to kill harmful insects. He is using the chemical in his farm to increase the plant growth and also to kill harmful insects. When he used this chemical in his farm, these chemicals absorb into the soil and then it absorbs into mixes with the underground water. Okay, these chemicals, the medicines are pesticides or any medicine, that is all chemicals. These chemicals mixed with the underground water. Chemicals are not good. That is one thing. Another one, due to some heavy rain, these chemicals mix with the rainwater and flows into the river, lake, or what all the water bodies near to it. So that is also make the water unfit for use. Understood? Some harmful substances can mix with water by these practices. Another one, here we already discussed domestic practices, right? Some domestic practices means See, you can see bathing the animals here. Some people are bathing, taking bath in that, washing clothes. These all things we discussed it. So these all practices are called domestic practices. Is it clear? Something practices that is related to house. That means domestic practices. So this one also you can see. Another one is open defecation. Open defecation. So let me ask you something. 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. I am going to unmute you. Okay. So who know about defecation? What do you mean by defecation? Can anybody tell about defecation?
No.
No. Okay. See, you have seen some people, those don't have the latrines at their home, don't have the toilets at their home. They will go. They will use the open space for urinating or keeping their urinating, pooping and pooping and peeing in the open. Understood?
And littering.
Yeah, littering. That is also. So that is called defecation.
Some people dump in the water. Dump.
Okay. So the people, listen, the people, those don't have latrines or toilets at their house, they will use the open areas for urinating and for pooping. Understood? So the pooping means removing the waste, solid waste. So these all, they will use it. We should not do that. We should not do that. That is called defecation. Okay, write down the today's new word. Take the rough book. Everybody take the rough book. Let me share the spelling here. D-E-F-E-C-A-T-I, open. Sorry, D-E-F-E-C-A-T-I-O-N. Defecation. Okay. This open defecation. Open defecation means urinating or doing number 1, number 2 in the open areas. That is called open defecation. These also cause the mixing of harmful substances in water. So we should be very careful. Now you understood? Can you see the spelling? Okay. So shall I change the slide? Okay. So by through different activities, some harmful substances are added to the water. That is called water pollution. Addition of harmful substances to the water is called water pollution. So today's our topic is water pollution. Devarsh Raj, please unmute.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You can't see it. Okay, let me stop sharing. Again, I will share it. Okay. Devarsh Raj, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
So, now also you can't see. Let me ask you, Diya Viju. Diya, unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the board?
I can see now.
Okay, please wait. Diya, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so tell me, what do you mean by water pollution? Water pollution. The addition of, say it, Diya.
Ma'am,
Okay. Devarsh, please say.
the addition of harmful substance to the water is called water pollution.
Okay, mute your audio. I am hearing some disturbing sounds. Okay. So here the addition of harmful substances to the water, that is called water pollution. So we saw which all ways the harmful substances are getting added to the water. Am I right? So second new word that we learned today is water pollution. Write down in the rough book, water pollution. Spelling, pollution, water pollution. Everybody write down the new word, water pollution. Shall I change the slide? Okay. So these are causes of water pollution. Now, let me show you. These all we discussed it, right? 1 minute. Okay. So here, let me unmute you, but everybody mute your audio. Everybody mute it. Okay. Without my Zara, mute your audio. So here today we learned about water pollution. Who can say what do you mean by water pollution? Who can answer my question? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, can I tell
1 minute. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. Everybody mute your audio. Krishnananda. Krishnananda, can you tell me what do you mean by water pollution? Water pollution. Yes. Water pollution. What do you mean by water pollution? Okay, please listen to Diya. Diya Viju, please help Krishnananda for the answer.
The addition of harmful substances are called water pollution.
Addition of harmful substances to the water. Addition of harmful substances to the water is called water pollution. Krishnananda, can you repeat?
The addition of harmful substances is called water
Where it is adding? Where it is adding?
harmful substances.
Where these harmful substances are adding?
Water pollution.
Okay, the addition of harmful substances to the water. To the water. Okay, Arpita. Arpita. What do you mean by water pollution? What do you mean by
Can't
water?
hear you.
You can't hear? I can hear you. What do you mean by water pollution?
The addition of harmful substances to the water is called water pollution.
Very good answer. Okay, so here let me give some how these harmful substances are mixing with water. Which all ways the harmful substances are getting mixed with water. Okay, let me ask you, Unnimaya, unmute your audio. Yes. Give one way how the harmful substances are mixed with water.
Chemicals from the factory.
Okay, very good answer. Okay, chemicals from the factories. Mute your audio. Let me ask you, Manas. Manas, yes, unmute your audio. Give one more way how the harmful substances are getting mixed with water. First, it is told chemicals from the factory. Then, yes.
Animals bathing.
Okay, bathing of animals. Okay, good. Then mute your audio. Then let me ask you, Nainika, some other things, some other methods. Yeah, tell me, Nainika. What you are doing there then? See, give me methods. How the harmful substances mixes with water. Which all ways? It's not clear. It's not clear.
Washing clothes and
No. Okay. Please listen to this here. Janvi. Yes, Janvi.
Chemicals used in farms.
Yeah, very good. Chemicals used in the farms. Okay, that also get mixed with the underground water and thus it reaches to the water sources. See, Kirtana, another.
Plastic waste.
Okay, plastic waste. Okay, that is there. Say it loudly. I can't hear it. Household, domestic practices. So, cleaning vessel, cleaning, washing clothes, bathing near to the riverside. These all are domestic practices. So, we can use one single word, domestic, through domestic practice. Then another important one is there. Who can? Sarah. Sarah.
Ma'am, open defecation.
Very good. Open defecation. That is all banned by the government itself, right? Government is helping the poor people for constructing the latrines. They are doing it free in cost. Domestic practices. Okay. So I hope you all understood this whole portion. Okay. So let me go to the next one. How can we prevent this all water pollution? How can we prevent this water pollution? You can say it. How can we prevent the water pollution? Let me see who all are ready to say the answer. Ryan, see Bijoy. Some students are not at all moving. Ryan, can you tell me how can we prevent this water pollution? Unmute your audio. Unmute it. Unmute. How can we prevent water pollution? Yes. No answer. 1 minute. Devarsh. Yes.
Keep the water clean.
The addition of water.
Keep the water clean.
See, I am not asking what do you mean by water pollution? I am not asking that. That it is over. How can we prevent water pollution? Niranjan.
Keep water clean.
All others, please.
Keep away the harmful substances.
Okay. How we can keep away that harmful substances?
Stop the chemicals coming from the factories.
Very good answer. Give a good clap for Niranjan. Okay, so we can stop the factories to let out the water into the water sources. Important one. Okay, and another one, Juvan also knows about it. Yeah.
Stop throwing the plastic waste.
Okay. Household garbages, throwing plastic waste into the water source. Very good suggestion. And another one. Okay, Aditi, tell me.
Stop spraying chemicals in the farms.
Okay, that it is already Niranjan told it. Okay, that also. These all things we can, if we do stop these whole thing. Stop open defecation. That also, these all things, if we practice these all things, we can stop the water pollution. Okay, so one more concept here. See how
Domestic practices.
That we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so read the
Keep water clean.
Water purification, ma'am.
See, we can discuss these words. We can discuss the
Stop
other
open
points
defecation.
in the next class. Yes.
Stop open
the water
defecation.
Okay.
Yes.
So
And don't stop the open defecation.
Stop domestic practices.
I can hear a lot.
Practices.
Siddhi, Sarah, mute your audio fast. So here we discussed that how we can prevent water pollution by stopping open defecation. That is the very important one. Stop letting out the factory waste into the water sources. Then stop spraying this one pesticides or chemicals in the farm. We can't stop it, but we can control that one. Then another one, stop domestic practices. Don't wash the clothes, don't wash the utensils, don't bath the animals. So by doing, if we practice these all things, we can stop the water pollution to some extent. Okay, so don't throw the garbages, household garbages or something, plastic waste, these all. In order to stop the usage, in order to stop the water pollution, that government had banned the use of plastics. If we use plastic, more and more plastic waste will produce, right? So this plastic won't decay. It will be there at the same place for years and years. Understood? So in order to stop that water pollution, sand pollution, so many pollutions are there. So the government had banned the usage of plastic. Okay, so next class we will discuss the harmful effects of water pollution. So just try to understand the harmful effects of water pollution. Okay, so until then, bye bye. Thank you.